the railway hotel. It was pizza night. Pretty good. Great little pub. Sure anyone's living there. It's a little bit falling apart. Little abandoned house or shop. I would say shop, just because of the glass window there. It's got a shelving to display stuff, so I'd say shops. Bit of history there. Have a look at all the signs. This is on the corner of the main road into Dingee. Anyone that knows me would know why I picked this spot to comment on. Interesting. Okay, original scarifier made here, and patent here too, so yeah, so it was probably quite advanced for its day, with adjustable and replaceable tines. As you can read, it saved a lot of time being in the workshop getting fixed, so that's awesome. Ernie old scarifier. And here's one here. Right next door to the Dingee train station. Old church. Looks like it's decommissioned now. Would make an awesome project. Bit of work though, I would say. Local general store, post office, pick up a gas bottle as well. Lovely little park, maintained by the community. Got a barbecue, toilets, library just behind there, station, and this is where we camped last night. A couple of trains during the night, but other than that it was, yeah, it didn't wake me at all. Like, really quiet. Free camp. Toilets, and can anyone tell me what that is for? I know it's a stubby, but can anyone tell me? Leave a comment below and let me know. Railway station. You can go all the way to Mildura from here, or Bendigo, that end. Not sure how long it runs. Imagine it too often. Platform 1. Well maintained. Once again, I'd say it's the locals. Oh yeah, mobile reception really good.